Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Icing on the cake. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Once, a student was given a cake by their teacher as a reward for their hard work. The student thought the cake was great. But then the teacher added some extra decorations on top of the cake. The student was surprised and asked, "What's this?" The teacher replied, "It's just the icing on the cake." You see, the icing on the cake means something extra. Something that makes a good thing even better. So, to clarify, the idiom icing on the cake means something extra that makes a good thing even better. For example, getting a promotion at work is great. But getting a raise along with it is the icing on the cake. To remember the meaning of the idiom easily, think of it like this. A cake is already great, but the icing on top makes it even better. Similarly, something good is already great, but the icing on the cake makes it even better. Let me give you an example story using the icing on the cake idiom. A student worked hard all semester and received an A in their class. But then, they found out that they also won a scholarship for their excellent performance. The scholarship was the icing on the cake for the student's hard work. Here are fun facts about the icing on the cake idiom. 1. The origin of the idiom is unclear, but it has been in use since the 1800s. 2. In some countries, the idiom is the cherry on top. 3. The idiom is often used in the business world to describe additional benefits or perks. 4. The idiom is also used in the entertainment industry to describe a great performance or production. 5. The idiom has been used in popular music, including the Beatles song "You Know My Name, Look Up the Number." Let me share some example sentences illustrating the usage of the idiom in different contexts. 1. Getting a free dessert with your meal is the icing on the cake at this restaurant. 2. Winning the championship was great, but getting to meet your favorite athlete was the icing on the cake. 3. Getting a job offer is exciting, but getting a signing bonus is the icing on the cake. 4. Being accepted into college is a big accomplishment, but getting a full scholarship is the icing on the cake. 5. Having a great day at the beach is fun, but finding a rare seashell is the icing on the cake. Original sentence using icing on the cake. Getting a promotion is great, but getting a corner office with a view is the icing on the cake. Rephrased sentence 1. Getting a promotion is great, but having a corner office with a view makes it even better. Rephrased sentence 2. A corner office with a view is the perfect addition to a promotion. Let me share a real-life story highlighting the impact and effectiveness of the icing on the cake idiom. A friend of mine was offered a job at a great company with a good salary. But then, the company offered him a signing bonus along with the job offer. He said the signing bonus was the icing on the cake and made him even more excited to start the job. Other similar expressions to icing on the cake include bonus, extra, perk, cherry on top, and added bonus. Opposite expressions to icing on the cake include salt in the wound and kick in the teeth. These expressions describe something negative happening on top of an already bad situation. Related idioms that English learners should know include piece of cake, take the cake, and have your cake and eat it too. Piece of cake means something is easy. Take the cake means something is the most surprising or impressive. Have your cake and eat it too means to have the best of both worlds. Let me introduce a story using the related idiom have your cake and eat it too. A student wanted to have fun with their friends, but also wanted to study for their exams. But then they found out that their friends were having a study group together. The student was able to have their cake and eat it too by studying with their friends and having fun at the same time. Let's see if you've been paying attention with a quiz. What does the idiom icing on the cake mean? A. Something extra that makes a good thing even better. B. Something that ruins a good thing. C. Something that has no effect on a good thing. Answer A. Something extra that makes a good thing even better. To summarize, icing on the cake means something extra that makes a good thing even better. It's often used in business and entertainment to describe additional benefits or perks. Other similar expressions include bonus, extra, and perk, while opposite expressions include salt in the wound and kick in the teeth. Related idioms include piece of cake, take the cake, and have your cake and eat it too. Remember, when something good happens, it's always great to have some icing on the cake.